Hi friends, my name is K. Akshita. I am studying first BCom in TTWRDC Devarkonda. Today subject is Business Organization and Management. That is called BOM. Today our topic is sole proprietorship, and today we are discussing about characteristics of sole proprietorship. In that, first we learnt about what is sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship means only one person in the business or in the company. In partnership there are two or more members, but in sole proprietorship there is only one member. Only one member can take responsibility and he only manages in the business. It is called as sole proprietorship. And first, after we discuss about characteristics of sole proprietorship, in that there are the 10 characteristics. First one man initiative, unlimited liability, management and control, secrecy, capital contribution, registration, no separate legal entity, local area operations, simplicity and motivation. First we discuss about one man initiative. In headline we understood what is one man initiative. Means only one man initiative means creativity. Means creativity. Initiative means creativity, and in one man initiative creativity means sole proprietor can create new things and new products in the business. And second one, unlimited liability. In sole proprietorship, liability should be unlimited, because sole proprietorship where sole proprietorship is in loss, he bear his losses through when he is in loss, he taken his personal assets to the business to bear all the losses. That's why liability should be unlimited in sole proprietorship. And third one, management and control. In sole proprietorship, management is the main and important thing in sole proprietorship. Management means overall the business should handle and take responsibility by sole proprietorship, and sole proprietorship can control the business. That is called as management and control. He will manage and he will control the business, overall the business. And secrecy. Secrecy means secrets. In sole proprietorship, he have some secrets. When the sole proprietor when release secrets to anyone, in that time the sole proprietor is in loss. That's why never reveal secrecy to anyone in sole proprietorship. In partnership, secrecy will maintain sometimes only. And capital contribution. Capital contribution means when we start a business, we want some capital. There is no capital, we can't start any business. In sole proprietorship or any business, first we must have some capital. After we start a business by one or two other members. In that, we should contribute capital from friends, relatives and financial institutions. That is called as capital contribution. And registration. In registration, in sole proprietorship there is no registration, because there is no law, there there is no act. That's why there is no registration. He didn't follow any rules and regulations and any formalities in sole proprietorship. That is called as registration. And no separate legal entity. In sole proprietorship, there is no separate legal entity because no one involved in sole proprietorship. Only one person in sole proprietorship. That's why there is no separate legal entity. And local area operation. The sole proprietorship is in local area operation. It should be located in local area. Due to limited capital and unlimited liability, it is confined in local area operations. That is called as local area operations. And next one, simplicity. Simplicity means sole proprietorship it is very easy to form. When we must first we have money that we can make we can make a business. We can start a business. When we must first we have some capital. After we start a new business, that like sole proprietorship. That's like we should start a business. And motivation. Motivation means our relatives, our friends give motivation because to run business smoothly and to earn profit more and more. First we start, main aim in the business means to earn more profit. That is the sole proprietorship and business aim. That's why we earn more profit. That is called as motivation. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity to me. And you understand all the sole proprietorship, what is sole proprietorship and what are the characteristics of sole proprietorship. Thank you.